Once you have accessed 1891 Connect, on the home screen, you will see yellow alert boxes. What is currently labeled Student Organization Fines will be changed to Student Organization Registration. In this same box, you will see the OSA store link. You will click that link and it will take you to the Office of Student Activities store. You will see the boxes labeled Student Organization Registration. You will click it. You will add the current registration fee to your cart. You will fill out the required information: the name of the person completing registration, either the president or vice president, the name of the student organization position, which means the person who is filling this out. So if you are not the president or vice president filling or paying for the registration, you will fill and select which role that you have in the organization. The name of the purchaser, the contact email of the purchaser, and the phone number for the purchaser. You will then click continue. It will allow you to review the information that you have put in and then fully submit your payment. This will complete the student organization payment portion of registration.